Hello Creative Crafty Lovely, and welcome to my channel. I am so delighted that you are here. Today I am coming on because I'm doing a project share, but I am also participating in the open collaboration that Tree from Craft On and Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More hosts every Monday, and that is die cut. Let's do die cut Monday. So let me show you what I created and the dies that I used. This is for a swap that I am participating in, and this is over in the Facebook group called Pocket Letters and Embellishment Crafters. And this box right here, I did not make. I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, and it is a snowman, and it says Happy Holidays. And these little snowmen are so cute. Look at that. So let's go ahead and package this up while we're at it, okay? And I like how it has this Velcro there, and this is a very sturdy box. This swap called for a Post-it cover, and this is the cover that I made. And as you can see, it is snowman, and I used stickles in the back. And this die is so cute. And then this has a little pen right here that it goes into, and then it's got a bunch of Post-it notes, and this fits really perfect right here, except I have to take the pen out because the pen is just a little bit bigger. And I got this big roll of or not roll, but these jelly pens, and these jelly pens I got from Five Below, and they come in a pack of 80 and they cost $5, so that was a really great buy. And to create that snowman, here is the die set that I used, and it is the Spellbinders. And this is such a cute snowman. Look at that. And this is a dancing snowman, but it didn't come with Merry Hugs right here. But this is so cute. So let me go ahead and show you what the project looks like, and then also the die. So look at that. I did change some of the colors, and then also for the little Christmas tree, I added some little ornaments on there. So I thought that came out really cute. So that is the first item that I'm going to be sending out. And then keeping within the snowman theme, I created this right here. And these dies, I got them from AliExpress some time ago. It's been a while, but now this was not a set. The snowman was, but then this right here was a different set, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I wanted to keep within like the winter and snowman and flakes and stuff. So that is that. And let me show you the dies that I used for that. So here are the dies, and this right here, the 3 snowflakes, was actually its set, and it came with these. And one of the things that I do with my dies is that I do print up pictures, that way I can remember, and it has all the pieces going to a die set. And then here is the other snowman die set, and here is a picture of it. As you can see, it's all constructed, and I don't remember how long ago I got this, but it's been a while. And I did get this again from AliExpress, so you may just want to hop on there and do a search for snowflakes and a snowman, and you can probably find out a couple of different ones. And I wouldn't be surprised if they have this one as a dupe. I will include the tutorial that I used for the Post-it note cover if you want to make one. And I will also include the links to Trees and Kathy's YouTube channels, so yeah, you can go and follow them. And if you want to see all of the other participants that have participated in this collaboration, just follow the hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye.